Hey friends, I've got an exciting product here, like really exciting. Okay, I'm going to show you what this is all about. Obviously, you can see from the page, it's about AI music. AI has brought the ability for anybody to make music. You don't need any music talent at all. And take it from me, I'm a musician. I've been one since all my life, I guess, since age 6. And if I had this back then, wow. Okay, but anyway, let me show you what this is about. First of all, my product, I needed an angle for your customers on how they could actually apply this to make some money. So the focus is on YouTube, putting the AI music up on YouTube, because there's channels that are just popping up and getting monetized really quick with this kind of music. There are 3 types of music I'm going to cover. This morning energy stuff here, I'm going to show you that a little more. And then cafe, coffee music, which is a little more laid back. And then study and focus music, which is a little more laid back than even that, is kind of in the background. All of these things are popular on YouTube, but especially right now, this morning stuff. So check out these channels. And of course, I'm going to play some of this so you can hear it. But here, Chill Music Delight. They've been around since August, right? That's it. Since August, 4 months ago. And they have 7,000 subscribers and they have over 2 million views. That's how fast this stuff is growing. And I've seen channel after channel like this. Here's another one. Let me go back here. By the way, keep your finger on your volume control because you're going to hear music come out, and I'm not sure how much I can tone it down. All right, so here's another one with just 37 videos. The videos are easy to make. I'll talk about that. And they've been around since September. This is December. Okay, right, 37 videos. 7 million views, all right, and 14,000 subscribers. Here's another one, Tropisoul Music. They have just 55 videos. They have been around almost, about 2 months. 2 months. That's it, 2 months. They have over 1 million views and over 4,000 subscribers. This is unheard of on YouTube. You must know your customers or people you know, or even yourself trying to grow a channel. Forget it. This is a way in. So let's just listen to something here. I'm just going to pop into one of these positive energy. All right, and keep your finger on your volume.
This Black Friday gift cleans your retainer at the touch of a button. No more brushing or tablets. Over 4 years ago.
That's it.
Waves are slow, the sky is still blue.
Okay, all of that's AI. Even the singing is AI. So easy to make this stuff, all right? Then I've got a little bit, I'll just show you coffee shops real quick because I did mention them. So they're a little more established. They've been around a bit longer, but here's one with 95 million views, 95 million of them. All right, they do have more videos, but the videos are essentially the same to make. They are, a lot of these channels have like videos that are like 1 hour to about 3 hours long. So these are about 3 hours long. Very different type of thing. Hope I didn't make that too loud. I'm having a little trouble controlling my recording software here on my video thing. Anyway, let me show you how this all works. So this is Suno. Here, let me go here. Suno is the premier AI music generator. It's way above any other thing that's out there. And the pricing is pretty good. All right. So your customers, or even you, can start with a free plan and test out everything. The only thing you can't do is upload those to YouTube. You don't have commercial use. See, the free plan is no commercial use. All right. But the pro plan, $10 a month. Come on, $10 a month. Pretty inexpensive. Up to 500 songs, 2,500 credits for a month. This is incredible what you can do here, as you're going to see. All right. And if you buy it, it's $10 monthly. If you buy a whole year's worth at once, it's about $96 for a year. I have the Premier plan here because I use Suno Studio, which I cover in an upsell. But let's go make some music. Come on, let's get this out of the way. I'm so excited. All right. So I'm going to go on the left here to create. And now it's all about prompts, just prompts. And if you want, include lyrics because the voices that come out of here are stunning. All right, so let's go do that. Well, prompt, lyrics, I don't know. Neither do your customers. So let's just go to chat and say, hey, give me some. So I got a prompt here that chat gave me. All right, so I'm going to put the prompt in here. And I'm going to get the lyrics over here. It's probably preferable to write your own lyrics, but that's a skill a lot of people don't have. So just take the ones chat made. I don't think you need to worry one bit about any that somebody else uses these lyrics, whatever, because it gets combined with the music, the melody, and all that stuff. It comes out unique. All right, let's go here and put in some lyrics. Oh, pop that in there. Just to let you know what I just did. I didn't do a thing. I didn't write anything. I didn't like look up how to do music. I asked chat to give me lyrics. I asked chat to give me a prompt. Ready, get your stopwatch going. Watch how fast this is. I'm clicking create. And in about 10 to 15 seconds, we're going to have song. They always give you two versions here. They give it a title, everything. I'm not touching a thing. This one's already ready. And this one's already ready. All right, keep your finger on your volume knob. I don't know how loud this will be. Here we go.
Sunlight on the window pane, another chance to start again. Coffee brewing, heart awake. Today is more than yesterday.
And then you always get two versions. Here's another version.
Sunlight on the window pane, another chance to start again. Coffee brewing, heart awake. Today is more than yesterday. Shoes on, feel the rhythm move. Every step says what I'll do. No more waiting, no delay.
Okay. Well, you can tell I'm having fun. Anyway, so I have some more samples somewhere on a player's, somewhere on the page. It's... how can I put this? If you are a musician at all, you know how incredible this is. And if you've never thought about whether you could even play an instrument, this is even more incredible for you, right? So in a nutshell, AI creates music, AI does the lyrics for you, the whole thing. You saw that a song can be created in seconds, and then you create a YouTube channel about this. Now, in the training, I show everything from actually how to create a YouTube channel to creating these, assembling them. The way the assembler works is all of these come out to about 2.5, 3 minutes long. So you get a batch of them that are of the same style. You put them together, kind of looped one after the other in an editor, video editor like CapCut, very simple, and get a video, which could even be just a still image or... did I show you this one? I'll show you one of these. Hold your volume. It's an AI video. So just get an AI video from somewhere like Sora or another place. There's a bunch of these Pika. There's a bunch of those out there too. So that might be a little more expensive to get some of those, but you don't have to use an AI video. You can use pretty much anything because people are mostly listening to these, not watching them. Okay. So utterly cool. So cool. So fresh. So new. So opportunity to make money and get monetized really fast on YouTube. Everything's on the page here. Please get in touch with me. I think at the bottom page I have a way to get in touch with me. I am so excited to get this out. For me personally, I'm a musician, and this is just outstanding. Maybe you don't have as much excitement as me about this, but man, I am just like over the moon. And yeah, let's blast that last week of the year with a big product here, first to market. Let's go make some money together and hit me up for anything you need. Thanks for watching.